Hi, my name is Dr. Ellsworth. I'm the CEO and owner and developer of Chiropractic. Now, people ask, how do we get such amazing results? Like hemiplegic, paralyzed kids to walk, things like that that are just unheard of anywhere else. The reason is that besides chiropractic, which is an amazing skill and technique, we found that inside of us we have what's called the code to the body's healing. Here is structural, here is emotional. We're going to demonstrate here. This lady's name is Michelle. And what we do is we test strength, okay? Neuromuscular, we just test the nerves by testing the muscles. Now, she's told me that she has a lot of pressure up here. She's a student, she's got a lot of brain pain. Now, go ahead and touch to where the pressure is. Okay, now, what happens here is that she's going to go weak. She's trying hard. You're trying, aren't you? She goes weak, okay? Now, she doesn't go weak anywhere where we touch her, but when I touch the same place, she goes weak because that's where the stress in her body is, up here. Now, we take her up to the emotional code. We put this arm way up here like this, just like Leonardo da Vinci, and she goes strong, okay? Now what we do, we're going to boot that up, just like a computer. Close your eyes. For my professional colleagues, we're rotating the finger heads. Eyes open. So we're booting her up, just like a computer. A computer is made out of zeros and ones. We are strong and weak. So I know that she's properly booted up because she will be booted. Okay? Now, we have a thing called the emotional code. Let's see if you can get a close-up of this a little bit. All the different organs in our body hold different emotions. So we're going to access what emotion is within her, and then we're going to release that emotion. Okay? According to the Center for Disease Control, 85% of all chronic problems have an emotional base. So science now knows that emotion can affect the body. We all know that, but science has finally proven it. So she's weak. I'm going to check the kidney. Hold strong. The kidney holds what's called fear. If I say the word fear, she goes weak. Fear is her primary emotion. Okay? So fear. Now her body records when she first experienced fear. Between the ages of 0 when you're born to 5 years of age is when we learn most of our emotions. So I touch her kidney point, she goes strong. The word fear is the correct word because she goes weak. Her subconscious mind's going to remember when she first experienced fear. 0, 1 year of age, 2 years of age, 3 years of age, 0. Her body remembers as before her first birthday. Okay? So that's when she first experienced fear. We go to what's called the lowest common denominator. Eyes closed. Now, how do we release emotions out of the body? They've been stored there since she was very little. Close your eyes, keep your eyes closed. Got to boot her up. Eyes open. So we access her kidney. We're accessing fear. She has fear in her body. Hello, face down. Now what happens here is she's going to stay weak. She's still going to be weak. Hold very strong. Okay. Now I'm going to touch different points. She goes strong here because this is the first place we have to release fear out of her body. There. Over here, she's weak. Okay. So what we do, this is another amazing thing that we've had in our practice here, is Chiropractic oil. This is made and developed by a fellow named Marco, a good friend of mine, an amazing genius from the States that married a woman here. She brought him here. This oil has frankincense, other essential oils. It has anti-inflammatory, anti-viral, antibacterial. It has a lot of things that help you. antidepressants. That's got a lot. It's a powerful healing oil. And this soaks into the nervous system, starts the healing process. Okay. Now, the key to releasing emotions, nothing that we know can release emotions except what's called magnetic therapy. This is Japanese technology. When they spin, creates a magnetic wave. We run this over the body. The magnetic energy releases the emotion that's stored in the body tissue. We even take it up into the brain. Now, when this is spinning, it's created a magnetic wave that's going clear through the brain, clear through the body. It's safe, it's effective. We've noticed the people that have electromagnetic pollution, they've lived close to high power lines, might get a little sick with this. So we have to test them first for it. That's unusual. And it clears up quickly. So what we're doing here, we're releasing this emotion. And it only takes about 20 or 30 seconds. When that emotion is released, fear, she becomes strong, hold strong. Now she's very strong. Now we're going to see where the fear is next. So we're tapping our nervous system all the way down to the tailbone. Now, as she goes weak again, there's another place where fear is stored. Hold strong. As she goes weak. This is the next place. Okay? So we put a little of the healing oil in here. Then we use the magnetic therapy to release that emotion. This is just magnetic therapy on a bigger scale for bigger muscles. Basically what we do here is the client becomes the doctor. We ask the body what we need to do to fix it. And we fix things so easy. Migraines, so easy to fix. Asthma with small kids, so easy to fix. Women that can't get pregnant. We've gotten so many women that were able to get pregnant after they've been here. Fix the nerves to the uterus. Emotions that are blocking them from getting pregnant. Back pain, easy to fix. Anybody that has surgery, don't do surgery. Get in here. Okay? Easy to fix. I'm not Jesus Christ, I'm not Allah. We can't fix it in one session. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks to correct something. Hold strong, it's been chronic. Okay, now she's strong. I'm looking for where the fear is again. She goes weak, she still has fear left in her body. Hold strong. How about over here? How about up here? There it is. Natural, safe, effective healing. The system is replicatable, duplicatable, no side effects, tremendously amazing results. I'm going to be teaching this to the Philippine people. My staff here already knows how to do 95% of what I have trained them to do. They're good. I don't really need to be here that much. And we want to make the Philippines the best natural health care system in the world, and the Philippine people become known as Chiropractic, the best healers of natural medicine in the world. And change the health of the world. Drugs, that's crazy. You can heal the body naturally. Hold strong. Why would you pollute it with drugs that are dangerous and cause more side effects? Hold strong. Okay, now she's holding strong. So fear is now released out of her body. Hold strong. Okay? And just for fun, we're going to go right in here. Right here. She goes weak. Now we're going to put her in the structural mode. Hold strong. And we're going to do a quick little ding ding we call. Have you come up to standing? We're going to loosen up her back. Once her back gets loosened up, the nerves work better, she'll feel great. Take a deep breath. And down. Let it go. That's a bunch. And did it hurt? Feels good. When we tell people the truth about healing, this is how it works. This is an iceberg. Tip of the iceberg is where the pain is. When you come in, you're up here somewhere. Okay? But the truth is, cancer, back problems, cavities, tooth decay, it takes a long time, sometimes many years before it reaches the pain level. When you come in pain, you're here. After about 3 to 4 weeks, you're corrected, you're out of pain, but you're only just under the tip of the iceberg. Here we know how to continue to heal people at a very deep level. Okay? We know how to fix the nervous system. Here's a chart that shows how the nervous system controls and regulates every organ and tissue of the body. Migraine headaches, sinus problems, dizziness, everything is controlled by the nervous system. When our Creator made us, the first system to be put down is the nervous system. All the other systems are made around the nervous system. Asthma, reproductive organs, when I mentioned women that can't have babies, everything is controlled by the nervous system. What will happen over time, people come in, it takes a lot of work to get them feeling good. About 3 weeks is all. You can have pain and problems for 20 years. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks before their symptoms are gone, they're feeling better. That's the decision time here. They're corrected, but they're not stabilized. Up here in the green zone, it's like me. I'm in the green zone. I have lots of energy, lots of power, no problems. I'm 65. And to prove that everything works, that's my 1-year-old baby. Proof enough.